Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 because of this error 0x80070306. Now to fix it, the first step is to go to first of all restart your computer. Simply restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 11. Still not working? Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted. Make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness at the top somewhere. You will find app readiness. Make a double click, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update and then click on, if you see retry option, you can hit retry, try to update again. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update. Over here you can see advanced option, click on advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. Now this process will take a long time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error and you should be able to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.